Hi, my name is Benedict Paul. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of BBA from HKBK Degree College. In our classroom sessions, we engage students in activities that are typically different from our everyday teaching hours. Apart from lectures, we also conduct certain word games such as Pictionary, Hangman, to help students improve their vocabulary. During such classroom games, the students are more ready to score points and stay ahead, that it helps them in easily internalizing new words and information without feeling either constrained or restricted. In addition to this, we use smart boards in our classrooms to help students watch and listen to informative speeches, public interviews, intellectual discussions, through which we can help students to learn the basic fundamental tenets of public speaking, rational dialogue, and which helps the students understand better to function in a civilized and amicable way, even when there are opposing perspectives. With a view to help our students grow into more responsible and conscientious adults in the near future, the importance of leadership is emphasized to students by encouraging them to take part by leading their classes both in academic and extracurricular activities. During class hours as well, the importance of leadership skills is emphasized to the students by suggesting real-life scenarios where the student gets an opportunity to exercise his problem-solving capabilities at first hand. Furthermore, group discussions and debates are conducted in the classroom to foster critical thinking and active dialogue about commonly prevalent issues. The liberty to voice their opinions and to rationally argue for their contentions helps students understand the importance of solving problems in an amicable and civilized way.